In this video, I'm going to show you how to download games on PS5 in rest mode. So the first thing you want to do is go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then we're going to scroll down to system, and from here, we're going to scroll down to power saving. Now we're going to scroll over and select features available in rest mode, and you want to ensure stay connected to the internet is turned on. So while in rest mode, your PS5 can download update files and content. Then we're going to go back to settings, and from here, we're going to scroll down until we find save data and game/app settings, and we're going to select it. Next, we're going to scroll down to automatic updates, and you want to ensure auto download is turned on so your PS5 is going to regularly check for the latest updates and download update files while they're available, and you want to turn on auto install in rest mode. So you're going to download, install games as well as updates. So the second you turn on your PS5, you should be able to play any of your games without having to wait. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.